This is gonna be my first time at EPCOT by myself.
Every change has a reason, baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season leaves us satisfied. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are doing something a little bit different that we've never been done before. I am here at EPCOT and I am solo without child. I am so excited. I told my mother-in-law that I would be back in an hour, so let me see how much we can get done in an hour. Alright, we better get going.
Choose which one you'd like.
Anything else?
Hey, maybe the middle one.
The middle one?
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
This is Lawrence and your name in Japanese, your name in English, and thank you in Japanese.
Awesome, thank you. Alright, trash can time. If you know, you know. Alright, so I'm gonna try the rainbow. I forgot what it's called already. I'll insert the screen. I'm going to try those. And we got sake, and the girl was so sweet. She wrote my name on it so I could keep this. Alright, so let's check this out. Literally eating on the dumpster. Oh, and time check. I got a little bit distracted because I met some people from Wisconsin in France, and so it is already 4:20, so it's almost been an hour, so I'm gonna have to like hurry it up. Alright, here we go. Not bad. I was talking to the mini driver yesterday. She said she wasn't really a fan. The one from Festival of Holidays was better. I agree with her, but this one isn't terrible. It's got like a lettuce in it, which is interesting, but it's not bad. Alright, let's get to the sake. Now, I think customary, you're supposed to dump this in. I want to save the box. I gotta do it. Maybe have this shot in the box.
Any of these because I wanted
It's good sake. Very cute. I don't normally stop here and get sake. I like sakes. Alright, we are gonna skip over America and we are headed right next. Our next country is we're gonna head right to Italy. I always get the Prosecco. I normally get a double. We might make it a single today because this is my third drink in the last like 20 minutes. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get a single of that. So you can order a double right away. I just go for the regular Prosecco. Magic fan? Sure. Love that they have the crackers there now.
Sorry.
That's okay.
Facciamo il video. Fiore di merda.
un altro.
Thank you, grazie.
Prego, ciao.
Immagina se li posta. Okay, yes.
Alright, we made it to one of my favorites, Germany. So we're gonna take a little break because I'm still finishing my Prosecco. Time check, it is 4:40. So we're officially reaching the 1 hour that I have been away mark. So I need to probably choppity chop. I still want to make it to Mexico. We're gonna go and check on the blanket that I wanted to get last trip. I want to see how much it was, or how much it is here. Let's see. When I saw another park blanket that I liked at Pop Century, I was like flabbergasted. I think it was like $69 for like a fleece blanket. I was like, oh no. So I don't remember checking the price last time we were here, so I'm going to do that now and see if I have sticker shock again. And then we'll probably get a beer, and then we'll head on over to probably Mexico after this, because I'm gonna have to wrap it up soon. That was a fail. The blanket that was here before Christmas is gone. They have another one, and it wasn't bad. It was like $40, but it was like a different material, and it was a Christmas blanket. I was looking for something that I could use like more year-round. So, all right, that was a bummer. So onward we go. We're gonna get a beer, I guess, over here in Germany and keep it moving. Can I get the Koenig Ludwig Weissbier, please?
Right here. It's 1411.
Oh, good. Thank you. Thank you. All right, onward. I am gonna check one more location for my blanket, just to see if perhaps it is across the way here. Let's check it out. I'm not feeling too hopeful, but you never know.
And if you need any like, help or anything, let me know. Where you going, buddy?
That's a cool shirt. I'm gonna have to get that from my dad. It's super cool. So yeah, same blanket I was mentioning about in the other store. Super cute, but it's a different material, not fleece, so we're gonna keep moving. Oh, and look at the variety of pickles we have here. I'm sure most people know about the pickle tradition here, that you're supposed to hide it, and whoever gets a pickle, if they ever finds the pickle, gets a special present. It's a German tradition. Alright, I don't know if you can see me, there's big sun glare here. It is time check. Time check, it is 5 o'clock. So we are now 15 minutes over when I said that I would be back. So we are rocking and rolling. We're headed on over to Africa. I'm going to skip Africa because we are running out of time. That'll give me a little bit of time to finish my beer before we get to Mexico. Okay, I am not getting a drink here, but I do have to stop at the boarding. I think that's how you say it, because I need to spray myself with the most amazing perfume that you will ever find on this planet from Norway. Smells so good. Trust me.
This is as a place you like.
Alright, so we don't have to worry about finishing my beer because it literally blew over when I was trying to do my segment in Norway. So we are now headed on over to Mexico, and I believe this might be my last drink of the day. Let's see. Hopefully the line is not so long. We are over the 1 hour that I told my mother-in-law that I would be away. So playing beat the clock here. She is understanding. I know like I have more time than that, but I just don't want to be taken advantage. So I'm hoping the line isn't too long here in Mexico. Go try the drink, swing on by the creation shop, and then I gotta get back because it's starting to get chilly, and I know they're at the pool, so I don't want to have them waiting too long for me. Alright, we have made some Cava de Tequila. So mine is not as bad as it was on Saturday, but there is still a line, so I'm hoping it moves quickly.
Probably more than 8, bro. They could probably do like 15. My parents moved to Waterbury.
Thank you. Alright guys, this is the last drink. We gotta get back. It is starting to get very cold and my daughter is sleeping. I just called my mother-in-law, so I gotta get going. We are about the 1.5 hour mark. So I got the Dom sent me. So let's see.
Leaving, I'll put you on my belly because that's easier on your legs.
Whoa. That is loaded. That is loaded with liquor. Wow. That is strong. A little stronger than I like. Oh, it is starting to get very cold and windy, so we are gonna move it here as I drink and talk. It's got a coconut taste to it, which I love. I bet, I don't know if Jose would like this. The actual drink itself is pretty good. Actually pretty good. But yeah, pretty strong. I think it's because they top it with like, I think they topped it. Woo. Definitely my last drink for today. Ooh. It's good. This is still here. It's pretty good. We were here on Saturday. They were doing them. We saw all the artists doing them. Very good job. I just went to the creation shop to try to find a blanket. Man, $69 for a fleece blanket. They're crazy. I don't know. I might see when we head on over to Port Orleans next, what we see over there. But I am like booking it because we are now up to the 2-hour mark. I hope my mother-in-law is okay. I really appreciate that she gave me this alone time because this was just amazing. I come here all the time with Lucia. I have major mom guilt if I don't bring my daughter. So this was just amazing. And shout out to Maria, my mother-in-law, la abuela. Really appreciate it. All right, now I'm gonna show you the mural. We didn't get to do this before when we came on Saturday because the line was way too long. Monday is the time to go, or during the week. Do not come on the weekend. It was absolutely insane when we came here on Saturday. So I'm just gonna do a quick show of what this is. We don't have time to do a paint job today, but here is the progress. All right, guys, just exited EPCOT. It is 5:53. So I officially went over by 2 hours, a little over 2 hours, like 2 hours and 7 minutes or something. Anyway, I am running back. But if you made this far in the video and we're not already friends, go ahead, hit the subscribe button. I would love for you to join us. Hit that like, it really does help support the channel, and we'll see you in the next one or at Disney. Thanks for watching. Bye.
I've been all